Renault Automobile repairs. If you're looking for help fixing your Renault Automobile, look no further. Our comprehensive Renault Automobile repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your vehicle. Renault manufactures cars that owners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy autos require occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Renault auto repair from experienced professionals, your local auto helper can help. Dashboard warning lights. On your dashboard are a set of lights that immediately inform you in case of any engine trouble. If your engine is overheating, low on fuel, experiencing battery problems, a red light will illuminate on the dashboard. Most modern engines now come with an engine control unit ECU with sensors attached to various engine components. When there is an issue with the car, you will get an error code, which will light up a warning light. Bad car battery. The battery powers the car engine together with the alternator. However, with time the terminals get contaminated with acid, and the battery no longer powers electrical components in the car. Just like your tires, you need to change your battery after every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Whichever comes first. It can be stressful operating with a dead battery because the car can stall at any time. Some of the signs of a dead battery include dim headlights, inability to power the stereo or AC, and problems starting the car in the morning. If the battery is working fine, then the problem could be with the alternator. Oil pressure problems. Oil plays a vital role in lubricating all the moving parts in the car. When your oil is old, it will form a sludge that makes it hard to operate efficiently. This will cause unnecessary friction amongst the movable parts, leading to overheating and wear. Oil pressure problems are something you never want because they can result in expensive repair costs like engine replacements. Also, identify the right type of oil that offers good viscosity. Nowadays, many motorists prefer using synthetic oils. Overheating. When your car is overheating, it could be a signal for serious engine trouble. The internal combustion system produces a lot of heat. The coolant plays the vital role of cooling the engine block by dissipating excess heat to the radiator. However, coolant leaks could mean that less coolant is reaching the engine block. This can cause overheating, which, when not contained, can lead to further engine problems. Faulty starter motor. The starter motor and battery work together to crank the engine. However, certain starter components can stop working due to wear and tear. These include the starter relay, solenoid, and motor. When this happens, you will hear a rattling sound whenever you turn on the ignition and start the car. Starter motors are quite expensive and, unfortunately, something that needs to get replaced sometimes. A starter often holds up around 10 years. Though, depending on the car model and how often you start the car. Worn-out brake pads. It is dangerous to drive a car with worn-out brake pads. The brake pads wear out due to constant friction. When they wear out, you will often notice a squeaking sound. Besides, you will need to hard press the brakes for them to be effective. This can be disastrous during emergency braking. Have your mechanic inspect your brake pads if you suspect that there is something wrong with them. Source: https://mechanicbase.com